Omar, and today I will be explaining to you and telling you the importance of one of Python's aspects, for loop, and I will be showing you how to create a multiplication table of any number. First, I will be talking how it will be important, how it works, and so on. So first you will have to create a variable, obviously, and then we have to give the user the access to type whatever number the user wants, and we use int of input. That function we use, and then we type what we want to say them to do, like enter a number, for example. Then we have to create a for loop, like for I in range. We have to create a variable here, I. For I in range, we created a range. We create how like till where it started and where it's ending. Here you can see that I did till 20, right? I mean 21, because in for loop it will, like, for example, if you do 9, I mean if you do 10, the output will only be 1 to 9. So you have to do one bigger than the number you want. And then here we did print I. I is this int of input of enter a number. So what the user input, that is I. I and the simple undo. I undo, as you can see, it's in double quotation marks. So it will be like a sprite. Instead of the star, this thing should come. So I into n. Okay, I is this 1 to 20 thing, and then n is the entered number. So this I into n is equal to this simple we put in sprite, so it will come as is equal to 1 into n. So we can see the output. We enter a number, I will be doing 2, and you can see it came till 20, not 21. As I told, it will come one below, and it came the x that we chose came as into here and is equal to 2, and it still came like this. So that's how it works. It could be important. The importance of this is, instead of doing it manually, you can just type the short command, the short code, and it will come. Like, you can instantly get all of it. Like if you want 100, you can do till 100. You can do 101, and we'll just enter a number like 2, and it goes and goes and goes till 200, because I did 101.